Hello and a warm welcome to everyone across the globe. We should be on the way very shortly. The players will be with us any time now. I'm Peter Drury, and providing analysis and expert opinion alongside me will be Jim Beglin.
Thanks, Peter. Hello, everybody. I'm ready to see what unfolds in this one now.
Here are the lineups we've just been given. It's got things underway. Come back to the keeper. Aimed long and direct. Can he put it away? It's there!
And as soon as they made that error in midfield, they didn't have time to react before the ball hit the net. Very much a lesson learned.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on.
Pumps it upfield. He's done well to tidy up the situation. Goes long and forward. Mahrez. Up he gets! It's a goal!
Well, it certainly livened things up a bit, and that next goal now is absolutely crucial.
Oh, lovely header, but really it was all about the delivery.
Well, as contact goes, that was tremendous, and it helped him to direct it exactly where he wanted into that net. I think when it comes to the aerial department, this fella is definitely no slouch.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Yeah, it's always a dangerous time when you've just scored. You can easily lose focus and then bang, you're pegged back again.
Long ball, but not especially accurate. Ball's out on the left now. Passes it through. Well played, he saw that coming. Shoots! Into the middle, header! Oh, just couldn't turn it in.
Yeah, they had lots of options in the box there. They've got plenty to chew on at the moment, but no bite.
Gets it back. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. And it's Mahrez. Tries a through ball. Who's going to make this theirs? Now, can he capitalise? Spoon forward, well positioned to make that interception. This could fall anywhere! Plays it forward. He goes long. Good idea, just poorly executed. Needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. This has gone, that's a foul. Well, that looks like a final warning, still no card.
Yeah, he may feign to shoot and just play it into the box.
Yeah, he's pulled him up for that challenge. And that's going to be a booking. Well, the players are making their point, but the ref clearly isn't interested. He's waved them all away. Yet another dead ball chance. Oh, that was close. Brahimi boots it upfield. Now here's the through ball. That's a throw. Just coming up to the 30-minute mark. So midway through the first half, and it is a tight old tie. And back to base. Keeper's got good distance on that. It's a long pass, but not the most accurate. Fired in from distance. How about it? Mahrez. Did really well to intervene and dispel the growing danger. He's away! And he's been booked for simulation.
Listen, he can play the innocent as much as he wants, Peter, but it was fairly obvious to everyone here. He's got no hiding place.
Now the pass. Deep cross. Back of the net! And the game is well and truly turned on its head. That is a fine goal, really efficiently done.
Yeah, I just thought he wanted that more than anyone else on the pitch, and it was fully deserved. He gave it everything he had. Yeah, for me, this team seems to find it easier to attack than defend, but now they're going to need to dig in at the back a bit.
Tries to get it forward quickly. Goal kick. No, I stand corrected, it's a corner. It's come loose. Forward it goes. Good run through the middle, but he needs support. That was good pressing, forced the error to put an end to it before things could get even more threatening. Played out to the right. Lobs it in gently. Great ball to play him in, but he will be gutted to miss that.
And that all stems from great vision, you know. What a delightful little ball over the top that was.
Oh, that's great stuff from him.
Well, he went at it with great confidence, and it's not going to stop him from trying again.
Mahrez picks it up from the goal kick. Aimed long and direct. Oh, good interception. And the whistle goes for half-time. So there was the first half.
Well, Peter, I'm just thinking of the best way to describe that. Frantic, frenzied. It was unmissable and it was irresistible. Forget about the analysis on this one, just enjoy it.
Very little in it. The score at half-time is 2-1. He's gone long. Done very well to intervene. Crunching tackle. That's put paid to a promising move. He's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick. Aim forward. Pumps it upfield. Can he find a finish now? Whose ball? Who's going to get that? You can get that clear. He's made sure that that won't get through. Looks to slip it through. Mahrez. That has put a stop to that. Gets it back. Try as they might, they just couldn't get into an attacking area.
Well, there's a lot of movement out wide now.
Yeah, you can certainly see that.
Well, I think it's a move to open the game up more, whether out wide or just getting a runner through the middle now.
Looks like a good ball through. The referee's awarded a free kick. The worst cross in the world, but still room for improvement. Another throw-in. Rodrigo. Rodrigo! Oh, good effort. He got plenty on that.
Yeah, and he knew he had to get his efforts away before being closed down, but he could have sacrificed a little power then for a bit more accuracy.
Mahrez. Who's going to make this theirs? There will be a throw-in. That's the sort of defending that is going to upset the opposition. It already has, actually.
Yeah, and the fact that he's registered, Peter, simply encourages more attention of a closer nature.
Good challenge, he just stood firm. Now the pass. He wasn't very far from making something happen by himself. Lovely to see.
Well, we don't need to guess that they expect plenty of ball into the box.
It's quite a crowd scene in the middle now.
Well, it's a situation that requires resilience now and plenty of fight.
And he has been fouled there. Oh, that's a booking, always looked it.
Well, that was coming, Peter. You know, he was on a final warning after all.
Knocks it towards the front. Looks to slip it through. Good running with the ball. Can they build on it? It's a long forward pass. Lovely feet. Up for a header! Ball's loose. Who's getting there? Into the channel. Cuts it out.
Well, I think they've shown a lot of courage in looking for another goal, but if it backfires, the coach will certainly come in for some criticism. They need to keep the ball.
Tries to switch the play. Big chance! Not this time.
Oh, they really wanted that. There's so many players in the box. Everyone's committed to attack now.
It's a loose ball. Mahrez. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. Mahrez. He's gone for it! He's scored! A two-goal cushion, and it's looking safe! Finishing doesn't come simpler than that. Bang in front of goal.
Well, he made it obvious as to where the pass should be played, Peter, and it made the finish look that bit easier.
Two up and very little time left. Surely this is it. Spoon forward. Oh, well intercepted. Really alert to the danger. Board shows there will be 3 extra minutes. Tries to get it forward quickly. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. A chance! That's great strength on the ball. Turns and goes back. Oh, it's opened up nicely for him. More and more and more and more! They are running riot! Surely now, beyond all doubt. With time and space aplenty, he was never going to miss.
Well, the keeper has every right to have a moan at his defenders for that, because they never got tight to the score. Simple as.
Going to be a change here. There's a man waiting to come on. The referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. What a match, what a comeback. That is how to respond to adversity. Truly deserving winners. Any reflections on what you've seen, Jim?
Well, this was a pretty good win. You know, they showed good resolve from me. They were strong throughout. They stuck together. They showed good spirit too, so all in all I think it's a win that's well merited.
And all that remains for me is to thank Jim Beglin. That's it from us tonight. A very good evening to one and all.